This video is going to be about my first YouTube paycheck. I got a check, y'all. I got a check. Hi, lifestyle lovers. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Erica. My channel is called Is C Lifestyle, and it's all about creating a good lifestyle. This video is going to be about my first YouTube paycheck. I got a check, y'all. I got a check. I'm going to share suggestions of how I balance a full-time career along with YouTube. I'm going to tell you guys how long it took me to get this check. I'm going to tell you how much the check is, and I'm also going to split it with you. I recently reached 1,000 subscribers, and I have not done a giveaway for reaching that milestone. So this is going to be the giveaway, lifestyle lover. I'm going to give half of my YouTube paycheck to someone. So I want to discuss some of the things that help me to be able to balance a full-time career along with being a mom along with YouTube. Okay, so one of my first suggestions, if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, the #1 suggestion, and this is in order: start it, sis. Start it, bro. Don't wait. My only regret in starting YouTube is I wish I would have done it sooner. Now, I know you hear all of the don't get on YouTube to make money, it's a saturated market, blah, blah, blah. All of that is true. YouTube is a saturated market. There are millions of creators on this platform. And it is a slow hustle for some, not for all. For some. But before you can implement anything else that I'm going to tell you in this video, you have to start the channel. Don't wait till you get an expensive camera. Don't wait till you get equipment. Don't wait till you buy your house. Don't wait on none of that. Start your YouTube channel. If it's something that you truly want to do, just do it. Just do it. Don't wait. Okay, so now that you have made the decision to start your YouTube channel, it's important for you to be consistent on this platform. That doesn't mean that you have to have an upload schedule Mondays and Thursdays, Wednesdays and Fridays. Some of the suggestions that I found here on YouTube was to set a schedule. I tried that. It didn't work for me. I could not have a schedule on top of a schedule. The fact being that my full-time job is my #1 priority, I had to mind the business that paid me. So the schedule thing didn't work for me. You have to customize it to work for you. You may be really good at the content that you provide. You may be better than some of the people on YouTube that have been here a long time. But the thing is, no one will know that if you're not consistent. So you have to be consistent with your content, whatever that is, and upload it regularly. Another piece of advice that I'm going to give you, lifestyle lovers, if you're thinking about starting your YouTube channel, is support. Support is very important to your journey. At least it was very important to a part of mine. And like I said, a lot of information I obtained from YouTube. So some of the information that I obtained was to go under other people's channel and kind of introduce yourself. You know, hi, I'm Erica. I like home decor. Check out my channel. Whatever the case may be. Now, some people feel that that's rude. I don't really think it is. There's a tactful way to do it. I have done it. I have gained subscribers that way. I have also connected with YouTube friends that way. When I started here on YouTube, I have received support from a lot of sisters here on YouTube that are within the same niche as me. Some of us have bonded over Z Gallery because a lot of us love Z Gallery. We have bonded over certain colors, cerulean. Me and Val from Val Glamorous Castle and Decor. Her video came across the screen and I seen all of this cerulean. And at the time, I didn't even know anybody else was even using this color in their home. And I commented under her video and just told her, you know, how much I love the color. And I just started YouTube. She came over, she subscribed to my channel. She supported my channel. She told me how well that she thought I would do on this platform. And that meant a lot to me. It really did. So it is important once you get on this platform to support other YouTubers. I do feel that sometimes you do reach a level of success and you stop supporting, or you don't have time to support. But the thing of the matter is, we make time for what we want to make time for. The way my life is set up, I don't have time for YouTube, but I find it, whether it's on the weekend, whenever I have downtime, or whenever I have free time, I'm recording content, I'm editing content for you guys. So just be sure to support other creators here on this platform. And once you have obtained that level of success, continue to support. It's really important, guys. Another important thing, lifestyle lovers, once you get your YouTube channel started, is to promote yourself. Not just here on YouTube. Don't think that once you upload a video, you just wait on it to get views, or wait on it to go viral, or wait on somebody to watch it and comment. You have to promote yourself. And my suggestion to you is promote yourself on other social media platforms. Promote yourself on Facebook. Promote yourself on Instagram. You can also do it on Pinterest. I think I'm going to start promoting some of my home decor on Pinterest. So it's important to promote yourself. So you want to make sure you promote yourself, not just on YouTube, other social media platforms, other social settings. You want to promote yourself. Another tip that you want to use, once you get your YouTube channel started, you want to focus on your niche, which basically is narrowing down your channel to something specific. Now, I have a lifestyle channel, so that means all things lifestyle, but my niche is home decor. That's my passion. That's what I love to do. That's what a lot of my channel is about. So your niche could be gaming. If you're into games such as Fortnite, GTA, your niche could be cooking. Your niche also could be fashion. I may subscribe to a channel simply for fashion tips, or if I know this person buys a lot of designer bags and they're always reviewing the bags and, you know, telling you what's good about the bag and what's bad about the bag, and then next thing you know, on their channel I see that they're reviewing a camera or electronics. You know, that's not part of their niche. That's not the reason that I subscribe to the channel. So you want to focus on a niche for your channel, and you want to try to stick with that as much as you can. It's okay to add variety to your channel, but for the most part, you want to stick to your specific niche of what your channel is going to be about. And last but not least, lifestyle lovers, once you start your channel and you incorporate some of these techniques into your channel, you want to keep going. I'm going to tell you, there is one particular video here on my channel that helped me reach my 1,000 subscribers. It helped me reach monetization. When I posted this video, during the time I posted this video, I had dropped my camera. I recorded it more than once, simply because the first time I recorded the video, I went to edit it and I tried a new edge control. So when I went to edit the video, I had basically white residue around my entire edges. And I was thinking to myself, I cannot upload this video. So I went to redo the video the next day, and I dropped my camera. I didn't stop. I continued the video on my phone. I was so frustrated, lifestyle lovers, by the time I got done with that video and I uploaded it. And then I noticed, because my daughter typically does my lashes for my videos. They're not done today, but she typically does my lashes for my videos. And that particular day she was working a double. She told me she couldn't do it, so I did them myself. And I didn't do a good job. But after that, I had uploaded the video and I noticed it, but I'm like, okay, the heck with it, whatever. The video has almost 25,000 views. The most views that I have had on any video here on YouTube. That's the video that helped me reach 1,000 subscribers. That's the video that helped me obtain monetization. But the point of the matter is, I kept going. I didn't stop. I could have got frustrated after I broke my camera and say, the heck with it. But I didn't. I don't know why, because I am a very impatient person, but I pushed through. And I'm here today with you guys Which leads me to the reason for this video. I am going to show you how much my first YouTube paycheck was. Okay, lifestyle lovers, I'm going to start out by logging into my Google AdSense account. I believed I monetized somewhere around the month of January, and my first payment was on February the 21st for $201.37. So if you guys want to know how long it took me to obtain that $200, it was an entire year. I had been uploading videos for an entire year before I actually reached the monetization process. There's tons and tons of videos here on YouTube as to how that process goes, so I'm not gonna go into it. To make a long story short, once I reached 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, I was able to apply for the YouTube partnership program, which helps you monetize your videos by adding ads to your videos, pretty much. So Google sent me, okay. So I got something from Google AdSense, and they sent me, make sure I don't have my address on here. Something came from Google AdSense, which was a PIN number, and I used the PIN number to just kind of verify my address. That way I could set up payment for a direct deposit and start to get paid. So that was my very, very first paycheck for YouTube. I want to show appreciation by giving half of that back to someone. Being that my channel is focused around home decor, I want to give $100 to someone to purchase something for their home. So if you've seen something in the gallery, if you've seen something in Target, Pottery Barn, you know, wherever you like to shop at, I am going to send you a $100 gift certificate to your favorite store. The only thing that you have to do is just comment below. That's it. I appreciate each and every one of you. I thank you so much for supporting my channel. I'm not sure what's next on this journey. You know, as I stated before, I have a full-time job. I'm really not concerned with making money on YouTube, although, you know, I'm glad to have that extra couple of $100. But I'm more focused on growing my channel, establishing a relationship with you guys, and just trying to figure out, you know, what's next for me now that I've reached, you know, monetization. What's next for my YouTube channel? I see a lot of home decor channels that get sponsorships for rooms to go, you know, Ashley Furniture, and those are places that I have been shopping at for years, even before I started watching YouTube. So, you know, if that's in the cards for me, I would love that. But pretty much I am just going to continue my journey and see where it leads me. I thank you guys so much for your support. I appreciate it. And that's pretty much it, lifestyle lovers. That's it for this video. You know, what I really want you to take away from this video is just to keep going. There are so many times that I have wanted to quit. My daughter can attest to that. I have, you know, called her many times and told her, I think I'm just going to quit YouTube. And she was like, well, Mama, you know, you just started. And I'm like, well, nobody's watching. You know, I'm just like, so I don't understand what's the point of me keep doing it. And then I may get an encouraging comment from one of you guys, or, you know, my camera's about to go dead. So the importance of this video is to keep going. If you don't take anything away from it, take that away from it. Keep going, and whatever it is that you're doing, whether it's YouTube or something else that you're dealing with in your life, just keep going. It gets better. Things change. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I thank you so much for your support, lifestyle lovers, and I will see you on the next video. I am going to announce the winner 1 week from the date that this video is uploaded, and I'll reach out to you to find out where you want your $100 gift certificate to be, and I'll send it to you. Bye.